Welcome to the Monday Morning Mortgage Minute, or mmm to those of you in the know. Now, today marks our fourth and final part of the Facebook Live Summer Series, where I walk you through the mortgage loan process from application to consummation. Today, we're discussing your closing. Now, at this point, you've electronically signed your closing disclosure or your CD, and that sets off your 3-day business clock. Now, 3 days have passed, and we're headed to the finish line. So if you're purchasing a home, your real estate agent traditionally sets up your signing appointment with the title company. If you don't have an agent, and boy, don't you wish you did at this point, or you're refinancing your home, then I would be responsible for coordinating that signing with you and title. We sign your closing documents at a title company because they're an objective third party to the transaction. So if North Korea and South Korea wanted to buy a home together, they'd meet at the DMC to sign their paperwork. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, we meet at the title company. You'll be sure to bring a copy of your driver's license if you're on the loan, as well as your cash to close if you're required to bring in any monies. With regard to your cash to close, we're going to do one of two things. Either we're going to wire the funds directly from your bank account before closing, or you'll bring in a cashier's check, not a personal check, a cashier's check written out to the title company. Now, big disclaimer, if you are thinking about showing up to your closing in a new car or truck or scooter or buying new furniture for your new home, any big ticket items, please wait. Now, once you get your keys to your new home, I want you to wait another day. I want you to wait another day, and then I want you to call me to verify that you're good to buy your new Tesla and that Lazy Boy Max Comfort recliner with the heated cup holder on it. Now, I make a point to be at every single one of my closings just to ensure that any questions that come up are addressed. Now, you're going to sign a lot of paperwork that you've already signed once and some new documents as well, just stating that you're not going to commit mortgage fraud and that you'll pay your mortgage each month. That's what it all comes down to. Now, once all your paperwork is signed, the title officer is going to submit those signed documents back to us, and just to verify, and then we as the mortgage company will give title the go-ahead to record the new deed with whatever county your home lies in. And once you're recorded, you'll get a copy of your keys, hopefully two, and the home is yours to do what you want with. New floors? Sure. Put a new deck in the backyard? I say, why not? Slap a new coat of paint on? Well, as long as it's bright purple, your HOA won't mind. Now, I'm totally kidding about that last one anyway. If you're lucky enough to have an HOA, a homeowners association in your neighborhood, congrats. You live in a pretty nice place. And if you don't have an HOA, congrats, because you can do whatever you want with your property, minus any CC&R restrictions. See, isn't this fun? Now, it's important to note that on refinances of your loan, if you're refinancing your house, there's actually an additional 3 business days that we have to wait after signing. It's a protection that's put in place for you, the consumer, in case you don't want to move forward with any of the terms of the new refinance. Other than that, pretty much wraps things up for us. For those of you that watched all 4 parts of the summer series and continue to make a point of watching these videos, I appreciate you more than you know. Thank you so much. And if you're out and about this week, do your best not to melt. It's getting a little toasty later on in the week. But I'll see you out there. This has been David Sanders with Primary Residential Mortgage. And this has been your Monday Morning Mortgage Minute for July 8th. Have a good one. See you soon.